Okay, we're parked outside of Central Festival, coming right onto Second Road. New Plaza coming up on the right where that car's just turning. We will be going through, following the car through New Plaza. Lots of bars, restaurants on the left as well. It's a very narrow strip along New Plaza. The motorbikes don't help, parked up on the right. Coming up to Baukhao now. On the right here you'll see the takeaway cafe that is open 24 hours. We're going to turn right into Baukhao. At Baukhao, a large truck is murderous driving at any time of day. Motorbikes will be coming through you on the right, the left, cutting across. It is horrendous. And no paving, so you've also got pedestrians in the road as well. Mostly drunk at this time of night. Delivery trucks as well late at night, as well as dust carts. On the right here now, that's Tree Town. It's quite new. A lot of bars, restaurants, and some live music there. It's quite a good area. soy honey on the right there. We're just coming along now, and you'll see on the right LK Metro. That's LK Metro right there next to Sugar. Along on the left is the Oasis of Go and Soy Chayapun. And that's Soy Chayapun there, and the Oasis of Go. Just past here, we're coming up to the junction. On the right is Soy Diana, which goes across there to the left into Soy Lenki. It's a murderous junction, and during the day it's just mayhem. Coming up on the right there where the bike just turned out, that is Soy 15, just 30 yards down, 40 yards down to the Hideaway Bar. My meat night every Wednesday. On the left there is Nicky's Bar, very good, excellent restaurant. Sunday lunches are fantastic. Just coming up on the right is Action Street. It's very quiet these days. There it is. It's almost dead in now. Hopefully it will start picking up one day. It is a good little area. Coming up to the end there where it's gone dark on the left, that is Soy Bukan Market. Tuesdays and Fridays on the left here. At the junction coming up now, this is Pattaya Thailand. We'll be turning left. The BART bus will go down to traffic lights near Walking Street. We've turned left. We're just going to come along now, and on the right there you can see Friendship Supermarket, and that's where we'll be stopping. And that's the little night drive from Central Festival to Pattaya Thai Friendship Supermarket. Thanks for watching.